MIHIRA, we're switching to the new InfuSmart 3000 pumps. They're more precise, but there are nuances. First, the alarm system is different. It's more sensitive, so false alarms are likely. If it's a low battery, the screen turns amber before the alarm. Second, the drug library has changed. Verify every drug setting, even for familiar medications. There's a new safety feature that locks out doses if there's a discrepancy. Lastly, the tubing is incompatible with the old pumps. Ensure you have the correct tubing before starting an infusion.
Okay. So, more alarms, double-check all drug settings, and new tubing. I'll review the manual thoroughly.
Exactly. It's a steep learning curve, but crucial. MIHIRA, if you encounter issues, don't hesitate to ask.
Mihira, I know that thinking about vaccines can bring up a lot of questions, and it's completely normal to want to understand what's best for you and your baby. I want to explain two very important vaccines that are often recommended during pregnancy: TDAP and the flu vaccine. The TDAP vaccine is a shot that protects you and your baby from several serious bacterial diseases, including tetanus, diphtheria, and, most importantly, pertussis, which is also known as whooping cough. Getting this vaccine during each of your pregnancies is crucial because it helps your body create protective antibodies that can then be passed directly to your baby before they are even born. This provides them with a vital layer of protection against whooping cough during their first few months of life, a time when they are too young to be vaccinated themselves. Now, turning to the flu vaccine, it's a different kind of vaccine that protects against the influenza virus. Unlike TDAP, the flu virus changes its form every year, which is why a new vaccine is created each flu season, and it's recommended that you get it annually. This shot helps your immune system learn how to fight off the specific viral strains that are expected to be most common during that year, helping to keep you and your baby safe from a potentially severe illness. Both of these are safe and very effective ways to protect both your health and your baby's health.